Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can update contact information on Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, go ahead, open up your Bank of America app on your phone and go ahead, first provide your user ID, your passcode, and sign in. Then your homepage gonna appear somewhat like this. Now go ahead, tap on this option of menu on top left corner. Then once you have done that, you're gonna find this profile settings option. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to tap on this option of contact info. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to check out all of your contact details, which will include your phone number and email address as well. And beside that, you will be able to find this option of change. Go ahead, tap on it, add in your new number, and once you have added that, you will be able to receive another verification code to verify. Once you've added the code as well and verification is done, you will be able to update, aka change your number. So that is how you simply can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.